Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. I am so glad you are joining me today. Today I will be revealing the winners from the Fall Fest collab that was posted on October 3rd, and it was hosted by Chillicothe Creates. I wish to thank everyone who joined me in the collab and to Chillicothe Creates for hosting the collab. And thank you to everyone who found my channel, all the new subscribers, and then everyone who commented and joined me in the collab. The rules of my giveaway were to be a visible subscriber to my channel, be 18 years of age or older, have a US mailing address, and to leave a comment with either hashtag fall or hashtag Halloween, depending on which prize package you were interested in. So let's go ahead and start with the fall prize package. We have this card with Hello Fall and 3 foil accents. This cute little altered composition book. And this envelope flip book. And in the pockets are some goodies. And I did post tutorial videos of how I made these, and you can also go back and check out the collab that was posted last week. The winners will have until Monday, October 12th at 11:59 p.m. to email me your name and address. And I will put my email address in the description box below. It is tiggeria@gmail.com. Okay, so this is the fall package, and everybody in here are all the comments that had hashtag fall. So let me go ahead and stick my hand in and pick out a winner. Oh, there were 2. I'm going to put them back and just pick one. Okay, here is one, and it is Linda Walker. And I know Linda, believe I have your address already. So please leave a comment below letting me know you saw this video and acknowledge that you're one of the winners. And also send me an email just confirming your address to make sure I have it correct. Congratulations, Linda. I am so excited. All right, I'm going to set that aside. And Linda has until Monday night, Monday, October 12th to reach me. It's about 48 hours. Alrighty, and then the Halloween collab or the Halloween giveaway. Let's see, we have this cute trick or treat card. It says Creep It Real, and it has the googly eyes. I love this card. And this really cute, too cute to spook little composition book. And this Halloween flip book. And this is where the spider is hiding, right there. Ugh, I don't like that. And we have some really cute goodies in there. I will carefully put the spider back, because if he falls on the floor and scares me, I'm going to have a heart attack. And then this pocket is much more safe. It has some cute little goodies in there as well. And like I said, check out the other videos so you can see all of the tutorials on how I made all of these goodies. All right, so these are, in here is everyone who commented hashtag Halloween. Same rules apply for both. And let's see who the winner is. Rosanna Marie. Congratulations, Rosanna. You have until Monday night, October 12th, to go ahead and email me your name and address. My email address again is tiggeria@gmail.com. tiggeria@gmail.com. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited for Linda and Rosanna. I hope you both contact me by Monday night with your name and address. And like I said, I'll put my email address in the description box below as well. Thank you, everybody, for watching. If Linda and Rosanna do not contact me by Monday night, I will come back on Tuesday and I will draw another winner. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. I appreciate you all very, very much. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.